welcome back to Tech with Ria. So in today's video we will talk about ARA overview. So ARA is in the sense Automation Recording Assistant. This is a feature in Tosca which will allow you to create test cases automatically while you're working on it. Okay. So until now हमने देखा कि हम कैसे manually we are creating modules and test cases and everything, right? So what in this video I will show you, like when for suppose you're working on any website, so automatically while recording it how your test cases will be generated. So this is the brief info about it. See, it records the user actions or applications and generate automated test cases without coding. So it is very much helpful for those who are beginners and who do not have any idea with this. Okay. This works with the web, desktop and SAP application. So these are the key aspects of it. Like it will allow you to verify your step. You can save them. You can import or convert into modules into test cases, and the benefits of it are it will reduce your manual effort, and it is a very quick process and early automation for beginners. Okay, so these are the few things. So how you can use this is when you come to your Tosca commander, right? As when you come to this add-on tab over here, you can see something called Tosca Copilot. So when you click on that, it will ask you your tenant ID over here. So if you do not have that, you can click this create one here button, and it will prompt you to a page where you will have to sign in. Okay, where it will ask you to sign in, and it is a 14 days of free trial version. Okay, so ये 14 days तक ही काम करेगा. So यहाँ पे आप जो भी आपके details है वो सब दे करके when you request for trial, you will get an email in order to verify your account that you have given. Okay, so once you click on this verify email button over here, okay, so you will see a screen something like this. It will ask you few details, and उसके बाद it will set up your cloud organization. So you need to wait for some time. So ये सारे जब setup हो जाएंगे तो उसके बाद your page would look something like this. So this is your cloud organization. Okay. So this is your tenant ID, like tessymytricentis.com. You can give anything. So previous to this, it will ask you to give a random name, password and all that. So वहाँ पे आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो. I have given this name, and this is your tenant. Now from here you can see this page. It is showing as you have 14 days remaining for your trial. उसके बाद if you wish you can upgrade that as per your need. And this thing is the agentic test automation. This is AI. It uses AI. And what are the agents, different agents that will be showing here. And these are your downloads, and this is your help, resources and notifications and your profile. Okay. Now when you come to your home tab, you see something like this. Last 24 hours mein what work you have done, everything analysis will be showing up here. And last 7 days में what, or was last 30 days में क्या आपने काम किया, because this is a new account, so there is nothing showing up here. But as and when you create anything, any test cases or anything, so those will be showing up here. So this is like a cloud organization for you. So यहाँ पे आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, whatever you have done until now in your Tosca commander. Okay, so it will be stored in like a cloud. So if you are unable to understand, you also have a quick start guide right at the top of your this thing. You have this quick start guide, so it will help you understand and to navigate to this thing. And there is also a video provided by Tricentis itself, like what is what karke. So you can go ahead and understand what is this, and see, these are the steps here. You need to install the launcher, and then browser extension, scan your app to create modules. So just like how you used XScan, this will also scan, but this is happening inside your cloud, Tosca Cloud. Okay. Then comes creating your test cases. So as and when you're recording and working upon them, this is how your test cases will be created. You can see this is your modules tab, and when you go to test cases, it will show test cases. Add your test cases to the playlist. You can also create a playlist from here. Okay. So a series of test cases and all those you can add up in a single playlist and have them stored. Then how you run your playlist. So this will run everything all at once from scratch. Like whatever test cases आपने create किए वो सारा एक playlist में save होके it will run. Then comes check progress and result. Again reports के तरह like we saw in Tosca, we saw in execution tab how you generate reports. The same thing will happen here like this. Okay, so this was brief overview of what is what, and then it also works on API test, API simulation and all that. And once you scroll down, there is nothing much to see here. Then okay, now this plus button you see, this is to create. What do you want to create? So you can create a test data set, okay, business flow, and it will have different templates for you to build and run and create, like building API message, creating modules, reusable test step blocks. See, everything you can create inside. Now ARA that we were talking about, ARA test cases, record and repeats your actions. So from here, once you click on this create button, your recorder will be started and whatever you're working upon will be recorded, and automatically it will generate your modules and test cases. And then playlist, as we just saw, you can group your test cases and create a playlist and run them. And also reports, how you can generate reports and all those things you can create from here. Now this will show you prepare. So you, if you have any test data or business flows, you can do those from here. So this one is to build like API messages, modules, reusable test cases. So when you open these modules, you can create your modules from here. Like you can add here, see, create your first module. So when you create, when you click, it will open your scan window. Okay, now manual in the sense if you're like manual testing. Okay. You also have an option to explore samples if you are unable to understand anything. Again, reusable test blocks is like libraries that we have previously seen. Then comes your test cases. You can scan modules and create your test cases. See, you can also import any test cases if available. So this tab is to run your test cases or playlists and different agents and run these. This is your report analysis, like how your test cases, how much of those got passed or failed. And then comes configurations. If you have any configurations to add up, you can do that. Then integrations, again you can integrate with different these things. Okay, on-prem and integrations with these things. And then uploads, if there are any export import things, you can do those things. And then comes your system settings, you can update your settings from here. Okay, now let's go back to the workspaces. uh, okay, just a second. This is the user, right? So in users, you can see what users are there. Okay, if you want, you can also invite any teammate here. And workspace is just similar to the workspace that we created in the Tosca commander. You will have a default workspace or you will be provided with sample workspaces. You can also create your own workspace from here. Like for example, if you click on here, you will need to give a name and then add sample test cases. You can do that if in case you want. Let's just give Ria YT for now, just for understanding. And this will be open to all the users and private in the sense only you will be having the access. Only assigned users have the access and you can invite people, or open, all the users will be have. Publish as a library, if you want to publish that you can, but let us keep it private for now and create a workspace here. So your workspace, you can provide a description here. Okay, and you have the details of your workspace, and if you want to delete that, you can always come here and delete this. And if you want to go to your workspace, you can simply click that and it will take you to your workspace. So now we are inside our workspace. Okay, from here you can see all your different workspaces. So since it is a private one, Please contact. Okay, back to home. Let us go back to home. Okay, so that's how you can create workspace. I hope that was clear. And now let's just go back in this. Let's just open a default workspace for now. And okay, cool. Now from here, you can create different modules and all those things. Okay. So in this video, I have shown you brief like interface about how your Tosca Cloud looks like, how you can create one by, from your Tosca commander, and how you can create your workspace through this thing. Okay. So uh, where did that go? Okay. So I hope this was clear for you. And if you guys have any questions, then please do let me know in the comment section. And in the next video, I will show you how you actually use ARA, which is automated automation process of test cases for that. In the next video, I'll show that to you. So till then, try to create one, trial license for this, and try to navigate to the interface and try to learn about this, what it is exactly about. And yeah, if this was helpful, then please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for further videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.